Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alif Imran bin Muhammad Rodi. I will briefly explain about the introduction and concept of this project. In this project, we are performing a performance comparison between two-layer neural network model, LeNet5 model, and AlexNet model trained on the MNIST and CIFAR10 dataset by using Google Colab. For task 1 and task 2, we will compare a performance of two-layer neural network and LeNet5 model. Then we will recreate the AlexNet model to train on the CIFAR10 dataset to improve model accuracy. Then we compare the performance with results in task 2. Okay, now I'm going to proceed with task 1 of the project, which will be focusing on the MNIST dataset. The objective of this task is to compare the training accuracy and loss, validation accuracy and loss, and test accuracy and loss between two models, which are two-layer neural network and LeNet5 models by using MNIST dataset. As we can see here from the final result, we achieve a value of 88% of training accuracy, 87% of validation accuracy, and 86% of test accuracy. Okay, so for LeNet5 models, we can see that we achieve a higher training accuracy with 91%, validation accuracy 89%, and test accuracy 89%. The accuracy is higher than the two-layer neural network because in specific, CNN or convolutional neural network has one or more layers of convolution units. The convolution units receive its input from the multiple units from the previous layer, which together create a proximity. As we can see here from the coding, we can see that we include the convolutional units here. Okay, the convolution units can reduce the number of units in the network. This means that there are fewer parameters to learn, which reduce the chance of overfitting, as the model would be less complex than a fully connected network. That's why we will be achieving the higher accuracy value compared to the normal neural network.
Alright, now we move on for the task 2 result. Okay, for the task 2, the objective is to compare the training accuracy loss, validation accuracy loss, and the test accuracy loss between the two-layer neural network and the LeNet5 model. As you can see from here, this is the result for the two-layer neural network. It shows that it has 41% for validation accuracy, 43% for the training accuracy, and 41% for the test accuracy. So this is the result for the LeNet5 model. It shows that this have 54% for validation accuracy, 59% for the training accuracy, and 54% for the test accuracy. So from this result, it shows that LeNet5 model have a better performance than the two-layer neural network. It has higher accuracy value than neural network because the LeNet is a convolutional neural network, and it has multiple layer on the image and use filtration to analyze the image input. Convolutional neural network is less the filter automatically without the mention it. This filter helps in extracting the right and relevant feature from the input data. Not only that, two-layer neural network have a higher loss, as we can see here, higher loss than the LeNet5 model. Okay, so this is why LeNet5 model have the better performance than two-layer neural network. Okay, now next.
Assalamualaikum sir, I am Farah Amni and I'll be explaining for task 3. So for task 3, we are instructed to recreate the AlexNet model and train the model on CIFAR10 dataset. So to construct the code for the AlexNet model, we have referred to the class notes and some examples that we have stumbled upon on the internet. We have also made some amendments in the code by try and error to obtain the best accuracy for the model. So AlexNet has 5 convolutional layers with max pooling, 3 fully connected layers with ReLU activation in each layer, and also an output layer, which in this model is used with softmax activation function. So we have used a number of filters for each convolutional layer of 96, 256, 384, 384, and 256, similar to the notes. And we have added the dropout function to avoid overfitting for the model. And at the same time, we have maintained the kernel size as in the notes, which is 11,5,3,3,3 for the convolutional layer, and also strides of 4,1,1,1. So to train the model, we have set hyperparameters, learning rate of 0.001, batch size of 256, epochs of 10, and also validation speed of 0.1. And the time taken to execute this code snippet is 3 minutes. So as a result, we have obtained a training accuracy of 0.5540, validation accuracy of 0.5514, and lastly, a test accuracy of 0.5423. So to compare the result of this AlexNet with the task 2, which is the LINET 5 model, this AlexNet model has a slightly higher accuracy compared to what we have obtained in the LINET 5 model, which is 0.5354. So we can conclude that AlexNet gives a better accuracy than the LINET 5 model. That's all from me. Thank you very much.